Here we are with Ms. Junie Dareus. She is the guru of unemployment services. She's here working with her client, doing what she does best. Hi.
Hi, I'm so glad you called. Guess who's sitting with me claiming her weeks from unemployment? Miss Simon. She's so happy because since December, finally her case has been resolved. And all that because of you. Because without you, there is no way we can make it. I really want to thank you in the name of Sant, myself, and Miss Simon. I think you are the best. You really are a great asset to the Haitian community, and you're doing a good job. You are a lifesaver. You're always so patient. You're never tired of our calls. We really thank you. And for the other guy, I received the papers, and I will review it, and I will get back to you. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.